want to know how I made over 73% on a trade? Trend trading. The roller coaster of the stock world. Sometimes you think you see a trend, and when timing is everything, you gotta be there no matter what. The trend is your ticket to the thrill ride. But remember, it's not just about the rush. It's about smart strategies and how well to execute them. First is the secret weapon. Our secret weapon. It takes a lot of expertise to make a good secret file. Our engineered QS trend indicator. It's not just any indicator. It's a smart, uniquely architected GPS, guiding us through the market maze. It combines endless coffee dosing, brewed with some meditation, a hint of sleep deprivation, and finally topped with some yoga here and there. Once in a while, if we are paying attention, we find it.
What? Yes!
A couple of instances will occur yearly, so you must follow us. Of course, in hindsight, it is straightforward. The issue here is that when the trend starts, it often looks like the other 99% of the setups that never develop. The key is patience. Just relax, sit tight, and like a spectator in a Hitchcock movie, look for hidden symbols and clues. Now let's dive into the ANF saga script. Picture this. The stock shows all the indications of a perfect trend. Higher highs, higher lows. Volume confirmation when breaking into new levels. Stay above my custom QS trend indicator, constantly testing levels briefly. Predictable, without negative surprises, and boring. But wait, there's more. Let's unravel the mystery. After a long consolidation in May, it gapped up with significant volume, establishing the stock above my custom QS trend indicator. After a couple of months, it gapped again with a similar volume. I did not open positions in those times. I was unaware, which was good. Following a pullback to test the trend levels, I found the opportunity and opened my position. Then, I added to my position in the next pullback. Finally, I adjusted the stop loss and let the winner continue. Always add to winners and let them run. It's like a dance with the market. And that, dear traders, is how you tango with the trends. Remember, it's not just about following the crowd. It's about understanding the rhythm of the market. Keeping your trends high, your risks low, your head cool, and your spirits soaring. Got questions? Let's keep the conversation going and the learning flowing. If you loved this market adventure, drop them in the comments, smash that like button, and subscribe for more. Until next time.